Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make high quality Ruffle Maxi dress. I uploaded the free patterns from 1 to 10 setup in my page. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. So like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. I use the basic pattern from ebook drafting pattern for men's and children wear. Firstly, from the underarm point down to 5.5 centimeters, I draw the top length. Next, I open 1 centimeter for the neckline. Then cut out the back pattern. Make the front pattern the same as the back pattern. Next, I draw a curve of the front borders, then cut along this curve. Then I cut the ruffle with 3 cm width and 27 cm length. Next, I open the wrist 2.5 cm, then cut on fold in half of the sleeve. Next, I make the skirt length of the dress equal the top length double. Then divide it by 4 to make the skirt pieces. I use linen fabric for this dress. Add 3.7 cm seam allowance at the center front to make placket, and add 0.7 cm seam allowance at the other edges. Next, I pin and sew the ruffle inside 0.7 centimeters. Then make the guthrie stitch for the other edge. Then I pin and sew the right side of the front too with the wrong side of the ruffle. Next, I fold the center front inside 0.7 cm, then fold 2 cm to sew the blanket. Next, I pin and sew 2 front pieces together at the curve. Then top stitch along the curve. With right sides together, I sew the front and the back borders at the shoulder seams. Next, I pin and sew the top and the sleeve at the armholes. Then sew the underarm and side seams. Cut the elastic equal to 1/3 of the wrist, then sew them with the wrist. Next, with right side together, I sew 2 pieces of the skirt one at the side seams. Then make the gathering stitch. After that, I pin and sew the top and the skirt one at the waistline. Then zigzag and top stitch along the waistline. Next, I make the skirt 2, skirt 3 and skirt 4 the same as the skirt 1. For the fabric, inside 0.7 cm, I sew the hem. Next, cut the strap of the fabric diagonally to the width of 3 cm. Then sew the bio step. Lastly, I make the buttons. We are done. I hope you love this dress and make for your kids. See you next video. Bye!